Hello guys, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can export SQL Server data into an Excel file. So to do that, let's move to Excel file. Here you can see I am having an Excel file and it is completely empty. Let me show you that. You can see there is no data available in this file right now. Okay, so now let me close this. And now I will go to SQL Server. Now I'm here in SQL Server and here is my database and this is my table, and in this table I am having some data. You can see these are the data available in my table and I want to export it. Okay, so how we can do that? So to export the data, I will right click on my database and here I will go to task and then I will click on export data. And now you can see the SQL Server import and export wizard is open. Okay, now and I will now click on next button, and from here it will load all our database source. So here I will select source as a SQL Server, and here I will keep this database selected. If you want to change, you can change to any other database, but I will use the same database right now. Now I will click on next, and from here choose a destination. I will choose Microsoft Excel, and here I will give the file path in which I want to export, and I have given the file path which I just demonstrated you earlier. And now I will click on next. So you can see I am getting error that Microsoft ACE OLED 12.2 provider is not registered. Okay, so this is basically not the compatible Excel file. So how we can make it compatible for that? To do that, I will need to convert the XLSX file to XLS. So to do that, I will choose the file from here, and you can see this is my file. Okay, and once we have chosen, I will click on convert, and after converting I will click on download. You can see it's downloaded now. I will go ahead in my downloads folder, and from here you can see this is the converted file. I will move it into the exported folder. Now this is my latest file which I just converted, and now I will use this file for the conversion. So I will click on browse and I will click on this XLS file, and then I will click on next. Okay, now you can see, let me also bring it. Okay, so now you can see this is, keep this thing selected. Okay, now I will click on next. From here I will choose my table. Okay, and now I will click on next. Okay, so need not to change anything. Okay, so just click on next again, and just click on finish. So you can see now the execution was successful. I will close it, and now I will go to here, and this is my converted file, so I will double click on it to open it. You can see here I still cannot see any data, but you can see that there is a new tab here, imported table. Okay, so once I will click on imported table, then you can see I have received my all data from the database into the Excel file. Okay, so like this you can import the data from database to Microsoft Excel file. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.